Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing your X account so every action converts. Create a business handle, write a concise niche bio, and pin a tracked landing page link with UTM tags. Once done, enable two-factor and upgrade to X Pro if available to access analytics. These metrics show what works. Make sure you plan 3-5 daily posting slots and batch create 10 tweets ahead. Begin with one product focus to collect engagement data rapidly and refine messaging as real replies arrive. Now build content that persuades and informs, lead with value and follow with an offer. Start by writing short educational threads that solve a pain point, then include a concise demo and one call to action that points to your tracked link. Once done, vary formats, single tweets, images, and 20-45-second videos to see which drives clicks. Make sure to disclose affiliate relations clearly. Monitor engagement hourly at first, and iterate CTA wording, creative, and post timing based on those analytics. Finish by scaling what converts and establishing tracking hygiene. Use your analytics to identify top tweets and amplify them with small ad spend or cross-promotions with aligned creators. Double down on formats that convert. Once done, check UTM and pixel data daily and run a weekly ROI review to pause underperformers. If clicks are low, change the headline and image, move the link to a reply, or swap the CTA. One targeted tweak often restores performance quickly. Keep iterating for steady growth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.